I'm greeting you on our channel, and today I will help you get the maximum bonus up to $515. And our first step for this evening: to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the pinned comment. Next step, after that, we are going to the apps, and you can find our actual promo code in the description. It's important because he helped you get the maximum bonus up. After that, we are going to the apps, and if you have an account, then log out of it. After that, you need to click registration, and today I will tell you about all the variants of the registration. Let's start from the in one click, and let's end of the via social media. I think it will be nice. And right now I will choose it. Tap. In menu current country, you need to choose a current country. Mine is United States. Current value US dollar, and select your bonus. For example, what do you want? On sports or on casino? I'm usually choosing sports. Next, enter the current promo code is ZANOS24 and accept all the rules and confirm that I'm over 18 years old. After that, you need to go of the registration of by phone, and there you need to choose your code of your number, your current country, and phone number is random. Your current number, current value to US dollar, and enter the current promo code is ZANOS24. Accept those rules, and choose your bonus on sports or on casino. Next, full registration, your surname, maybe Bertie, first name to Bertie, and your current country, your region, city, and date of the birth. Okay, account settings US dollar, and email address absolutely random, your phone number absolutely random, and enter the current promo code there and repeat. Enter the current promo code is ZANOS24. Select your bonus and receive all the rules and confirm that I'm over 18 years old. That's maybe and after that we're going to our last step, and social networks with the social. There, choose your social media, and current country is your current country, current value US dollar, and select your bonus on sports or on casino. What do you want? Enter the current promo code is ZANOS24 and confirm that I'm over 18 years old. And after that, guys, we're going to the top of the green check mark, and after that we are starting the loading. Write the captcha, and after that we will see our login and password, and I recommend to screenshot this for your pleasure or change it right now for didn't lose your big bonus. That's important. Next, we're going to our final step in account deposits menu. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, thank you for watching, thank you for your support. If you want to support us more, then follow the link in the description in the pinned comment and use our actual promo code from in the description that you can to support us. And subscribe on our channel. And if you have any question, then answer them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Goodbye and good luck to all. Have fun.